Bran had a seed. It was small and very shy. He dug a small hole and tucked the little seed inside. "Be brave," whispered Bran. "It's safe here, little seed." He gave it a tiny drink of water from a bright red watering can. Bran waited one day. Nothing happened. He waited 2 days. Still nothing! On the third morning, a tiny friend popped up. It was a pink worm named Winston. "Waiting for a sprout, are we?" asked Winston with a cheerful wiggle. Bran told him about the shy seed. "It won't come out," he complained. Winston chuckled. "Seeds need more than one sunrise, Bran. They need time." He taught Bran how to check the soil, feel its dampness, he advised. Days passed. Bran checked the soil and waited patiently. And just a few days later, a tiny green loop appeared. "Look, Winston!" he cheered. A few short days after that, the shy seed wasn't shy anymore. It grew a small, happy leaf. Bran watered it, talked to it, and made sure it got enough sun. The plant grew taller, stretching its stem toward the sky. But one evening, the sky turned gray. A fierce storm arrived. The rain beat down hard, and the wind blew fast. Bran worried. When the storm passed, Bran rushed outside. Oh no! The plant was bent and broken. Bran felt tears well up. All his hard work seemed lost. Suddenly, a friendly voice piped up. "Don't give up yet, Bran." "Roots are strong," said Winston. "They hold secrets underground." He taught Bran how to carefully trim the broken part. "Now we wait again," he said. "Patience is a seed's best friend." Bran continued to care for the growing plant. He checked it every morning, reminding himself, time. Then, one day, something wonderful, a big bud appeared at the top of the tall stem. The resilient seed grew its life back, stronger than before. Winston popped up from the ground. "I knew you had it in you." Bran learned that patience and help can make any shy seed brave.